100 English words that start with G. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Guess what, Myra?
What's up, Mike?
Today, we've got another great list of English words.
Ooh, let me guess. Do they all start with the letter G?
Yes, 100 words. Fun, useful, and easy to learn.
So grab your headphones and get ready to speak with us.
Just listen, repeat, and grow your vocabulary.
One word at a time. Let's go.
Listen and repeat.
Game,
Game,
gap,
gap,
garage,
garage,
garden,
garden,
gas,
gas,
gate,
gate,
gather,
gather,
gaze,
gaze,
gear,
gear,
general.
general. Great start.
Let's keep the momentum. Generate,
Generate,
genius,
genius,
gentle,
gentle,
gentleman,
gentleman,
geography,
geography,
gesture,
gesture,
ghost,
ghost,
giant,
giant,
gift,
gift,
giggle.
giggle.
You're doing amazing.
Let's go for the next round.
Girl,
Girl,
give,
give,
glad,
glad,
glass,
glass,
glance,
glance,
glare,
glare,
global,
global,
glory,
glory,
glossy,
glossy,
glow.
glow.
Nice and steady. You've got this.
Just say it with us.
Goal,
Goal,
God,
God,
gold,
gold,
good,
good,
goodbye,
goodbye,
goods,
goods,
gorgeous,
gorgeous,
gossip,
gossip,
government,
government,
grab.
grab.
You're halfway through.
Keep repeating and learning.
Grace,
Grace,
grade,
grade,
graduate,
graduate,
grain,
grain,
grand,
grand,
grandmother,
grandmother,
grandma,
grandma,
grant,
grant,
grandpa,
grandpa,
grapes.
grapes. You're doing great.
Let's go a little further. Graph,
Graph,
grasp,
grasp,
grass,
grass,
grateful,
grateful,
grave,
grave,
gravity,
gravity,
great,
great,
green,
green,
greet,
greet,
greeting.
greeting.
Almost done.
Just 20 more to go.
Gray,
Gray,
grid,
grid,
grin,
grin,
grip,
grip,
grocery,
grocery,
ground,
ground,
group,
group,
grow,
grow,
growth,
growth,
guarantee.
guarantee.
You're doing amazing. Don't stop now.
Let's say the final 10.
Guard,
Guard,
guess,
guess,
guest,
guest,
guide,
guide,
guilty,
guilty,
guitar,
guitar,
gun,
gun,
guy,
guy,
gym,
gym,
gymnast,
gymnast. And that's 100 words starting with G.
You've done a great job. Give yourself a pat on the back
Rewatch this video and keep practicing.
and speak along every time
Subscribe to English Podcast.
for more daily vocabulary practice.
You're learning.
And we'll always be here to help.